Hey, hi, hello, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you haven't been here before. My name is Paula and I hope that you guys are having a wonderful week. Today I decided to recreate a look that was made by Kylie Jenner that I saw on Pinterest and I fell in love with it. So I'm gonna leave the image here if I know how to put it. If not, we'll figure it out. And yeah, if you guys are curious as to how I achieved this particular look, then please keep on watching. Alright, so I know I look a little naked, but I am wearing a top. Anyways, I'm gonna get started and I'm gonna use the Morphe 35B palette. Starting off with, I used this shade, this cream colored shade all over my lid. And now I'm gonna go in with this green right here. That's gonna act as our transition color. Use this big fluffy brush from Morphe. This is the E27 brush. I'll just add that all over the crease area. Okay, I decided to wear a jacket because I looked way too naked and I needed to bring the camera closer. Green Lantern looking at. Okay, now I'm gonna grab this dark green color and I just want a little bit of it, but the reason I'm doing this is to add just a little bit of more dimension to the eye look before I cut it, since both of the colors up top are gonna be a kind of light shade of green. I need that little depth for the cut crease. So that's what I'm doing. I'm focusing it literally on the crease area. Just build it up as you go. Try to go little product by little product, making sure that you don't put a lot at once because then it'll be really hard to blend out. Now going back in with that big fluffy brush that we used for the first green shade and blending the two colors together. Also, don't worry about it getting on the lid. Don't like freak out if you do, because we're just gonna clean that up when we cut the crease. I'm gonna dip back into the light green to make sure that we don't lose the vibrancy of the lime green effect. Once we're done with that, I'm gonna grab my P. Louise eyeshadow base in 0.5, I think. Yeah, Rumor 0.5. Add that to the back of my hand in order to cut the crease. And this one is gonna be a full cut crease instead of half like I usually do. For some reason, I always cry when I cut my crease. Okay, now grabbing a flat when wild brush while this is still wet, I'm gonna grab this shimmery green shadow and add it to the base. Because I want the shimmer to come out a lot more, I'm gonna wet the shadow and reapply. Okay, now I'm gonna do the rest of my face and I'll be right back. For blush, I actually used a super pink blush, so I used the Milani Luminoso to do my blush, and I think that it's very accurate to what she did. And then I'm grabbing my double-ended brush from Anastasia for my lower lash line, and I'm gonna use this shade right here, this pinky shade. That's gonna be all on the bottom lash line. Then I'm gonna add a thin winged liner. And since I can't really talk through it, I'm just gonna catch you guys in a bit when I'm done with my liner and mascara. Okay, and from the picture, she looks like she's wearing just like a pinkish nudish gloss. So I'm gonna use her Kylie Cosmetics collaboration with Coco, and this is in the shade Damn GNA, and it's a really pretty gloss. Okay, and there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed me recreating this Kylie Jenner look. I have done this once before. I think I got better at it, who knows. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed and had fun recreating this look as well. Please try it if you can. And yeah, I hope you guys are having a wonderful week. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and tell your friends all about it. Thank you guys. See you guys in the next one.